Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to update and upgrade Linux from the terminal. So first of all, of course, we have to go into terminal, so I will press on show apps and press on terminal in order to open it. And it's very important to at the beginning to say that all commands that I will be using in this video requires administration permissions, so we have to use sudo all the time basically. And the first one will be update. So how to update? We have the command like this, sudo apt update. This command check for available updates, but it does not install updates yet. Of course, we have to type in password. As you can see, it is checking. It is only checking, but it doesn't install, as I said before. We will be using other command to install all these updates and packages that will be listed. As you can see, we have 55 packages that can be upgraded, and how to upgrade them. Again, we have to use sudo and apt, and right now we have a command not update but upgrade. So upgrade, and we have to press enter. And right now we are starting to installing our packages, and during this process you may be asked, as you can see, to confirm installation you have to type Y. That means basically that stands for yes, and press enter. And now the only thing we can do is wait in order to installation be finished. So as you can see, we have a progression bar. As you can see, it's almost at 40%. Maybe it might take some time. It basically depends on how often do you do it, because if you basically never done it before, it might take maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So that's pretty long. But as you can see, we are waiting. We are almost at the end. I think it should not take much time from now. And as you can see, it is installed. And that's basically all, but maybe I will show you some other commands that might be useful. These commands are very popular. The other ones that I will show you now are not that popular. And the first one will be sudo apt and full upgrade. We could use this before because this is similar to upgrade, but it also installs or removes packages as needed to be to satisfy dependencies. So I can press enter. As you can see, nothing happens because everything was installed before. But now we can use another command that is basically even listed here. Is sudo apt autoremove, and it basically removes packages that were installed as dependencies but are no longer needed. So we can press enter, and again it will remove. Again we have to type in Y and press enter to continue, and it is removing some basically useless packages. So that's basically all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.